Let's all welcome, of course, Mr. RJ Falkerson. I'm not used to calling you that, diba? Palakpakan po for Mr. Alden Mitchell.
Yes, thank you.
Welcome.
Hello po, and good afternoon. Thank you so much po for sparing time po to be with us dito sa Community Day for McDonald's. Actually, share lang po akong konting story about this, this venture that we are in now as a family. Nag-start lang yung dream ko to have a McDonald's when I was young. Kumakain kami dyan sa may South Supermarket McDonald's when I was young. Tapos naalala ko pa yung setup mo, pagpasok mo, andito yung counter. Pagkanan mo, andito yung mga dining area. Meron siyang place na 2 floors. Apparently sa amin, isa lang. Pero okay lang po yun kasi much more space for customers. And then sabi ko, pero naman pag bata po tayo, usually we just mahilig tayo mangarap na yung mga suntok sa buwan ng mga pangarap na sana one day in your life, sana magkaroon din kami ng McDonald's store. And then, a few years later, 20 years later, ito na po kami with our own store. So, ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam na to be able to see your dreams, unfolding before your eyes. And I would really like to give my much appreciation kasi ako, sinasabi ko po yun, I'm just the face ngayon. Pero yung talagang naghirap, as in from day 1 ng training, stress, sleepless nights, na-hospital pa siya. Na-hospital, tumaba, pumayat, tumaba ulit. Pumayat na naman ngayon. Siyempre dun sa sister ko, may manager. So, alam ko ng mga Magdo family namin how much my sister really worked hard for this being an MD. And siyempre si dad ko na pinag-resign ko pa sa trabaho niya. Para matulungan kami kasi, kumbaga, being able to be given a license to franchise McDonald's is not a small thing. It's not a small deal. Marami po nagtatanong paano ko daw po napagsasabay being a businessman and being an actor at the same time. Actually, hindi po madali. Kailangan ko po talaga ng core team. As in, I need really good people behind me para, to do both things at the same time. Kasi kung ako lang po yan, baka na-drop ko po yung isa. But with their help, syempre my family, my close friends, and my team, sila po yung tumulong sa akin to be able to, fulfill all my duties as an actor and as a businessman. So maraming salamat po for being here. I'm really proud of this project. I'm really proud of my sister. I pulled her out of her current job na HR siya ng isang company dito. And I know this hindi naging madali yung transition. We had fights. Umiyak siya sa akin, and nagko-confide siya with the Magdo family. Pero, andito na tayo, with dad, with the family, andito na tayo ngayon. We're taking on a new adventure, sharing good experience, giving good service to people. And sobrang saya lang po namin na lahat po na nandito, our closest friends, closest people in our lives na na-experience firsthand tong first next-gen store in the South. So we're really happy po na nandito po kayo, and maraming salamat for your time. And thank you so much po.